Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Nissan Rogue. First, get comfortable in the driver's seat and adjust your mirrors. The ignition button is typically on the dashboard. Press it while holding the brake pedal to start the engine. The gear selector is a small lever or dial. Move it to D for drive. Remember to release the electronic parking brake, usually a button near the gear selector, before you begin moving. Once you're moving, gently press the accelerator to increase speed and the brake pedal to slow down. The Rogue offers a smooth ride, so subtle inputs are often best. Practice steering in an open area to get a feel for its responsiveness. For longer trips, activate cruise control using the buttons on the steering wheel to maintain a steady speed, like 65 miles per hour, reducing driver fatigue. The Nissan Rogue is equipped with excellent safety features. When parking, the rearview camera and parking sensors provide clear guidance, helping you avoid obstacles. Pay attention to the blind spot warning indicators on your side mirrors before changing lanes. The automatic emergency braking system can help prevent collisions by applying the brakes if a potential front-end impact is detected, enhancing overall safety. For more relaxed driving experience, engage Pro Pilot Assist, which helps with steering, acceleration, and braking on highways. Experiment with the different drive modes, such as Eco for fuel efficiency or Sport for a more dynamic feel. These modes can significantly alter the vehicle's performance. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They are super handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.